You want to live in a fifth wheel? This is a perfect to you. It's a brand new 2025 Forest River Sabre 36DBB. Why is 36DB? Because it's a 2-bedroom. One has a king size bed, and in the back we have another bedroom with a queen size bed and a loft bed in the top. As well, this should come with 2 bathrooms, and not just bathroom and a half. 2 full bathroom, 2 full showers, 2 toilet, 2 sinks. This is a brand new floor plan, the Sabre that came out. The beauty about it, as you notice, this is 36 feet trailer. Has 2 power awning. It has auto leveling. That's another advantage. As well, it has another entrance from the rear, so you could walk from the side as well in the rear. You could see the Sabres. I love they have the zebra shades. You see from the windows. Endless hot water here. This is typical. I like about Sabre, endless hot water here. 1 docking station right there where you hook up all the waters and the bulbs. And then you have a switch here for auto leveling. You just hit auto and it'll do the job. You have 1 propane tank on each side, 1 tank in this side, and then the other tank. What I like about Sabre always, they hide their spare tires, so the spare tire is not outside for the elements. And you can see the controller for the solar. As well, it has a storage, placement storage. But look what they give you. They give you a fridge for your beer, for your drink. So you have outdoor fridge, outdoor TV hookup, basement storage, pass through. They have even leash latch for dogs or wanna secure your bike. This is the 36DBB, mean double bedroom. Let's go inside and show you all the nice features about this fifth wheel. This huge counter, the island in the middle. Matter of fact, this island, you could make if it's too big for you, you could make a short. Because this island fold down right here. But the beauty about this island, it gives you an ability to sit 4 people on it. And it's a nice, good eating, dining tables. You could use it. You could use it just to hang around with people. You could sit on it, eat at the same time watching the game. But this is a solid, you could see a solid oak countertop, and it's fold. You could fold it. You hold 2 seat here, and then you can put another seat right there. And then if you want to fold it in, it's very simple. You get the bottom side quality. So this is give you, if you want to make it small, you can. And if you want to expand it, very simple. You fold it, you get the bar out, and now I could have longer countertop. This is called potty lounge, or you could say huge recliners. This one provides you with 5 recliners. I call them potty lounge. You could recline them if you want, as well. Any of them, you could recline the whole 5 if you want. The beauty about it, I could seat 5 people here and 4 on the island. So that's total 9 people. They could sit inside this unit watching the TV, and everybody could see it from any position they want. So that's the beauty about the potty lounge. And this potty lounge facing the smart TV we have here, as well the fireplace. Behind the TV and the fireplace, we have a huge pantry. What I like about Sabre, they give me the light, they give me the shelf. It's accessible. I have even plug. If I want to add more stuff, I could put my brooms right there with no problem. Now, when it comes to the kitchen, they give you the biggest microwave. It's actually, this is a convection oven. You could cook inside here. So you have electric oven here. You have a gas oven down there. You could put a turkey. Nice 3 burner range. A prep area on the left side, prep area on the right side. They have tinsel doors. You can see and place here for cooking pans. And they give you the 4-door refrigerator. You see right here, 4 doors, 2 doors for freezer, 2 doors for the fridge. Very roomy. And look how beautiful this kitchen. What I like about it, they give you the separations. So you have a nice wood handling backsplash, rice faucet, cup spray, waterfall, plug with the inverter prep, more plug, place for trash can, so I don't have to worry. So I could scoop it up right there. Another door, you could put the back of the trash can. More door, you could put a big cooking pans over there. Another place of doors right here. Finish. More doors. Here's a spice rack for spices. And then look how big these doors you could use for pantry, you could use for dishes, whatever you like. Look how big this cabinet with the big shelf. And they're magnets so they don't open on you with European hinges. This is a party fifth wheels. I mean, you could bring more people, socialize, eating, drinking, enjoy these recliners, enjoy the TV and the fireplace. Now, as we said, this is 2-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms. So I'm gonna show you the main bedroom, which is in the front. It's a king size bed, as you see here. So this is my master bedroom. Come with a king size bed. It have the nice hideaway board where I could put my guns, jewelries. There's a plug for inverters, plugs. There's reading lights here. As well, another reading light on the other side. So everyone individually could read at night and he doesn't have to bother the other person. Facing that king size bed, there's a place for a TV bracket and a TV in the bedroom. We keep it optional because we don't know if you want it or not. We could do that. Also, this unit is a prep ready for a stackable washer and dryer. The washer go here and the dryer go to there. Look how big this shelf with hanging clothes. They give you also a shelf you could put your folding clothes or you could put your shoes when you settle. And again, you don't have to put washer dryer. You could just use it for a closet storage. Very roomy, and then there's a 3 panels so you can easy to get in and get out. Plus you have underwear doors, towels, socks, whatever you want. Place for the lady makeup. Now this is the main bathroom. It has a nice solid medicine cabinet with a sink. Place again, inverter prep, big shower, no issue for height, width, handles, very roomy porcelain toilet, not a plastic. And then you have pull out towels. You could put the towels here, or chemicals, shampoo, conditioner, whatever's for the bathroom, or linens. Now, so this is the main bedroom, main bathroom. Now we're gonna show you the second bedroom in the back. What I really like is kind of making it so roomy. Now notice, everybody give me this floor plan, but the loft area on the Sabre, it's so big. So when I sit here on the mattress, I have a plenty room for head. Some of them, they're shallow, notice that. Plus, I like what they give you on the ladder here. It's very solid, so it's very easy. You just kind of pull it, open it, voila. And I could go on it easy with no problem. And then they finish it out in the back by having closets, cabinets, and a TV hookup. You can put your TV here, a third one. Easy to get in, and they have each one a window. So there's the 3 windows, and there's the vents for the air conditions on that unit. All the unit come with LED crown molding. Look, all this crown molding in the top with LED in it. A ceiling fan with, counter lighting. 2 ACs, ducted. There's no issue. And then if this is in my way or my way of very simple, I just go like this and nothing happens. Now we're going to the second bedroom. It's a queen size bed, very roomy. Another, a 4th TV I could put inside this unit on the wall, or a swing bracket. We could do that for you. You have a lot of closets here. If you come this way, I could show them more how this bedroom look like when the doors close. More closet, hanging closet, as you see. Then a shelf here for jeans, shirts, whatever. And then here, I like what the extra touch. This basket, you can put toys, underwear, socks, his and her, whatever you like. And don't forget, all the Sabre beds is the storage underneath. You can see storage underneath the bed, as well the king size bed in the front. And here's is my second bathroom on the Sabre. I like about it is they give you top. That's a big deal, the top for the kids, because you could put the kids and give them bath. You know, and the ladies, they love that. You have the vents, and then you have a medicine cabinet and a sink, prepping area, place for makeup, hanging towels, you name it. Everything there's you need in that nice bathroom. So this is the Sabre 36DBB double bedroom with a lock. Now let me show you here. Look how roomy it is. I love this. I wish I had this one in the living room where I could see 5 people under recliners, not just 2, and you could recline one by one. Come to Best RV, enjoy the beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath 36DB, and we have a price no one could match. As well, we say it again and again, no bogus fees, no hidden fees. We make this fifth wheel get ready package, we make it ready for you for free at no hidden cost. Come to Best RV.